Welcome to carburetorsamore.com, 832-221-4007. Okay, Daniel, this is your carb, first of your four. This sucker is frozen solid. We're going to see if we can get her going, but I don't know. But there's no use in me testing it when it's completely frozen. I mean, this turns, but it's just turning on the shaft. As you can see, the barrels, and they don't do nothing. So when you turn this, it doesn't do anything either. So the other ones, the shafts move, so we'll be able to videotape, try them out. But this one we're just going to go ahead and tear apart and see if we can get it freed up. Okay, next time you see it, if I can get it freed up, it'll be running good. All right, Daniel, this is carburetorsamore.com, 832-221-4007.